Hello everybody, this is the robot we are going to be making in the next few videos. This is pretty simple. It is a vertical spinner, and we just used the tools that I taught you in the previous video. And to give you a little overview of what you should have right now is you should have a sketch of what you want your robot to look like. So just imagine this, okay? And this should be on your paper. And so I don't expect you to have anything on the inside yet, just or even dimensions or anything like that. Just a big kind of area in the back where you know your electronics are going to be, and you have to decide what type of weapon you're going to have, and just a general idea of how it's going to go together. Where you have a plate where your weapon motor is going to mount to, your weapon is going to be press fit onto the weapon motor, and everything else is going to be just stuffed on the inside. And an overview of what the electronics are. Here are our drive motors. These are brushed motors that will be connected to our what we call our Lemon DESC. It's our basically it powers the motors for our drive. And so all those three things are going to be connected. And then this is our switch. This is basically the big power switch. It's going to be connected to our battery as well as our DESC. Our weapon motor is going to have wires that are connected to this weapon ESC, which is then also going to be connected to the Lemon DESC. And so basically this is the big control board, the Lemon. That's what it's called. That's just the maker. That's what they call it. And that's kind of like the brains of everything. This is the very center. Everything else is connected to this somehow. And that's an overview of what we'll be doing. So let's get started by laying everything out.